Sheikh Hamdan and Sheikh bin Said's daughter gets married. Members of the Dubai royal family took to social media to congratulate the couple. Sheikha Maryam bint Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the sister of His Highness Sheikh Hamdan and Sheikh bin Said, got married to Sheikh Khalid bin Mohammed bin Hamdan Al Nahyan. The young princess, siblings and other members of the royal family took to social media to congratulate the couple after the Al-Aqd ceremony on September 19, 2019. Sheikh Khalid is a member of the Abu Dhabi royal family. Sheikha Maryam's elder sister, Sheikha Latifa, had posted this picture congratulating the couple on the Al-Aqd ceremony as part of the wedding celebrations. The ceremony involves the signing of the official marriage contract. A holy recitation is then followed by the men performing a traditional Emirati dance. Longtime of the Al Maktoum family, Mama Noura, also wished the couple on Instagram. Sheikha Manal bint Mohammed also congratulated the couple on the Al-Aqd ceremony. Sheikha Maryam got engaged last year in August, with members of the royal family congratulating her on social media. That are Emirati weddings like. First, engagement takes place. The two families can have an engagement party if they wish. The marriage contract is signed by the groom and the bride through a court, an imam or a sheikh. This means they're legally and Islamically married. According to Emirati culture, however, the bride doesn't move in with the groom until after the official wedding ceremony. The henna night takes place where the bride, her family and friends get together to do henna, enjoy performances, dance and celebrate. The official wedding ceremony takes place with separate celebrations for men and women. They may do their celebration at the same venue in two different halls or at two different venues. The male can join the female side of the celebration later into the night, once only the main family members and friends remain at the venue. That is when the groom and the bride cut the cake and drink either juice or rose water syrup drink together.